Yo, so for those of you that know me, I don't post videos. I'm not a camera person, clearly. But for those of you that know me, know that I got Toyota Altezza. I bought it a wreck, and I've been working on it for the past a good 6-7 months now, and I managed to do something amazing. It's a project that I took up without a lot of experience. I've experience with engines. I don't have experience with bodyworks and all that, but I took up this project just for the fun of it. Like, I just wanted to see how far I can go, if I can just push myself a little bit, just do something new, and I managed to fix it up. It's I'm sure for those of you that know me know the progress of how the car was going, because I posted a few pics, and today I am happy to say I am actually delivering the car to the new owner. I'm touched because I'm parting away from the car, but it's all about money at the end of the day. Move on to the next project. But I'm delivering this car right now, on my way, and I'm happy with how it's turned out so far. It's looking pretty good for the way it was. So I'm super excited. I hope you like it, Mr. K, and yeah, on to the next project.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D-O double G. But I somehow, someway, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's and make a few ends as I breeze through 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But what? We don't love them hoes. Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this.
Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
Rolling down the street, smoking in out, sipping on gin and gills.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money
Now
on my
that
mind.
I got me some Seagram's gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. Everything is fine when you're listening to the D.O.G. I got the cultivating music
I
that
like the car.
Yeah.
So Camilla is gone, guys. On to the next one. Who knows? Might bite whip.
As I mob with the dog pound filled with breeze. Biatch up jet.
You look pretty.